Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Pushka this side, and today we are talking about HR management software. And more specifically, I'm going to show you how you can build your own HR management app, a customized HR management app for free on Fuzen. So a lot of our customers are small businesses and medium businesses who have very modest needs when it comes to HR management. They just need a platform to manage their employee records, track attendance, track employee leaves, maybe upload HR policies or similar documents. They just need a platform for that. But when they go to market, they look at software like Zoho People or Workday or Rippling or Bamboo HR. There are a lot of these SaaS apps that are out there. But all these SaaS apps will offer you features that you don't actually need. You just need maybe 3 or 4 features, or you're just looking to do 3 or 4 things. But all these SaaS apps will come with 20 features that you don't need. And even if you're not using those features, you still need to pay for them. And these platforms actually charge you per employee. So even if not all your employees are using the HR management software, just your HR team is using the software, you're charged per employee. So as your team starts to grow, as your number of employees grow, it becomes a burden. This HR management app becomes a burden. So today I'm going to show you a way around that. I'm going to show you how you can build your own customized HR management platform with only the features that you want. It will only have the features that your team will use. And since you will own this software, you don't need to pay per employee. You just need to pay for hosting. So I'm going to show you how you can do all of this. It's going to be a very informational video, so make sure you watch it till the end. So if we go back 10 years or 20 years, software development was very expensive because you needed to hire software developers to build your app, and they cost a lot of money. So back then, it made a lot of sense for you to just pay Workday to use their HR management app because they had already built it. So you could pay them a subscription fee and you could use that app. But you didn't own this software. You paid them their license fees, you use the software. But if you wanted to make any customizations, any modifications, if you wanted to add any features, if you wanted to take out any features that you didn't use, your hands were tied. You were not able to do any of that. But today, AI is changing all of that. AI is changing how software is being built. So you can go to Fuzen's AI, you can describe your HR management app, you can list all the features that you want in your HR management app, and you can watch Fuzen's AI build your app in front of your eyes. It will build a fully working app. It will be fully customized as per your requirements, and your team can start using it. It will be done at a very low cost in a very quick time. So today, you are able to build and customize your own software with the help of AI. And the benefit of doing this is you own the software. If you want to make any customizations, any modifications going forward, you're free to do that. Today, AI is enabling customized software development and, most importantly, software ownership for you. So now you have seen you can build a fully customized HR management app with Fuzen's AI. But now the important question is, how do you do it for free? So there are 2 options. So if you go to Fuzen's website, you'll see that here you can add a prompt to build your HR management app. So option 1, you can write a very detailed prompt for your HR management app. You can copy it, just paste it on Fuzen's homepage and start generating your app. Now this option will require for you to buy some AI credits to build your app. If you want to build your app completely free, you can go to resources. So this is the second option. So this is what I would recommend. So second option for building your HR management app for free is to go to resources and here click on app templates. So here we have some predefined app templates. So these app templates give you a head start in your app development process. So here you simply need to search for HR. If you search for HR, you will find this basic HR management app template, and this is completely free. So if you go to the details page for this HR management app, you can see this HR management app template has a lot of basic features like employee management, employee directory, attendance tracking, leave tracking. So all the basic features, including payroll management, are already there. And this is completely free. So if you want to install this app template within your Fuzen account, you just need to click this button and it will install this app in your Fuzen account. So once the app is installed, you can check out the basic features. And like I mentioned earlier, most of the basic features that most businesses need are already included within this HR management template. So you can manage your employee records, you can manage their attendance, you can manage their leaves, and there's payroll management. So I'll just show you how this app works. So we can start by adding maybe details of an employee. I'll just add my own details just for a test and I'll save them. So what you can see is this app is already working. We created a new app, so you can see this is a new app. You can see the URL. This is your own HR management app already hosted on Fuzen. So this is a new app, and in this new app we were able to create an employee record right off the bat. This is already working. This is already in working condition, and you get all of these features for free. Now what happens if you want to add some more features? Like let's say you want to add a timesheet feature. So you can just go to this icon. This is the AI editor icon. When you go to hover over this icon, it will open the AI editor. This is our AI agent which will customize your app as per your requirements. So for example, if you say I want to add a timesheets module, or you want to add some biometric integration or some timesheets module, or maybe HR management, document management or policy management module, it will do all of that. So if you add that requirement, this AI agent will start to customize your app. So when you're customizing this app, you can see that every message or every customization request, it will consume 1 AI credit. So whenever you register on Fuzen, you get 5 credits for free, and every customization will consume 1 credit. So by default, you're able to create 5 customizations for free in this new HR management app, and every day you will get 5 credits for free. So even if you're using free Fuzen account, every day 5 new credits will be added to your account. So if you exhaust your 5 credits today, you just come back the next day and you'll see new credits added to your account. And now you can see we asked for a timesheet module, and this AI has now added a timesheet module within our HR management app. So customizing this HR management app is that easy. You just describe what you need and AI will do it for you. And if you want to buy more credits, these credits are very inexpensive. You can start buying these AI credits for as low as $5. So starting at $5, you can buy more AI credits and you can continue customizing your app on the same day. But if you don't want to do that, you can always come back the next day and you will find 5 free AI credits added to your account. So once your HR management app is built and you've customized it as per your requirements, you would want to share it with your team. So what you need to do is just hover over this edit widget, go to manage app settings, and this is where you can start inviting your team. So the app that we have built is already in production. What I mean by that is it's already live. It's already hosted on a cloud server. You don't need to push it to GitHub. You don't need to connect it to Supabase or any other third-party service. This is already a live app. This is already cloud hosted. What you can do is you can just copy this link, share it with your team. They can join this app, or alternatively, you can go to manage app settings. It will take you to this kind of UI where you can manage your team. You can just type your team member's email address. You can select what role to assign to them. You can make them app editor. You can make them admin. You can give them HR roles. If you want to define roles, you can add new roles from here. You can create admin role or any other roles from this section. And once you've added those roles, you can invite your colleagues and assign them these roles, and you can send them invitation. When you invite them, it will trigger an email which goes out to them. They just need to click on the link in the email and they can join this HR management app. So there is nothing more to do. This app is already live. You can share it with your team and they can start using it right away. And this app is already in production. So this is already hosted on Fuzen. So Fuzen has a very generous free tier for hosting. So this app is already hosted on Fuzen. It's hosted on Fuzen's free tier for hosting. So Fuzen has a very generous free tier, which should be good enough for your team if only maybe 5 to 10 people are going to use it. So let's say if you have 5 people in your HR team and those are the only people who will be accessing this software, free tier is good enough for you. So essentially you can build your HR management app for free on Fuzen, and if you're within the free tier, you can even continue using it for free on Fuzen. So it becomes a completely free HR management app for your business. So now you would say, okay, this is really great, but there are already plenty of other free HR management apps that are already out there. So how is Fuzen any different? So Fuzen is different because Fuzen lets you own your HR management app. It lets you customize your app. I'll give you a simple story. Last month, we had a customer from India who wanted to build a fully customized HR management app with timesheets integration. And they looked at all the leading HR management solutions provider in India like Keka HR, People Strong, Zoho People, all of them. And nowhere they could find customization capabilities which will let them build timesheets module as per their requirement. And when they found Fuzen, they were able to build that exact timesheets module exactly as per their requirements for 1/10 of their budget. So not only Fuzen lets you customize your app, but it also helps you to do it at a very low cost. And that's the main difference. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you found it useful. I'll put a link to the HR management template in the description of this video, so you can go to that link and you can install that HR management template and start building your HR management app on Fuzen. I hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.